Welcome to the Excel video on formatting column width and row height. Now you'll notice in cell C4 we have the name Fannie Mae, yet it's getting cut off on the right side of the column, as is the title label called description. So I'm going to come up here and select this column. You see a black arrow there. My mouse is sitting up here. I'm going to left click and select the entire column. And when I drag my mouse to the right of the column, you'll see these arrows that go either direction. It happens on this side as well. I happen to like increasing my column width over to the right. And you can just drag it to whatever width looks good to you. And the cool thing is you can do that on row height as well. Now, there's another way to do this. I can select column C by left clicking on the label for the column, and then I can right click on my mouse and come down here to column width, and now I can enter a number. Instead of dragging it and eyeballing how wide you want the column to be, I can say, well, I happen to know I'm not going to want 14 characters to show, I'm going to actually want 15. So I can increase it just slightly, so now 15 characters will show in that field. Another way to do this is with the column selected, coming to the Home tab of your menu system, and over here to the Cells area and click on the word Format. And now I can select column width and enter it automatically. Now I'm going to change it to 20, much wider. Or I can come up here to Format and I can say, I want to auto fit my column width. And what it's going to do is find the widest value in the column and adjust the entire column to that width. Just for the sake of our spreadsheet staying consistent, I'm going to change that back to a column width of 15 and leave it at that. Now I increased the row height here, and let's say I really didn't want to do that. I can either undo it using the blue button, or I can come up here and say auto fit row height, and it adjusts it back to the automatic height of a row, which is 15 characters. And by the way, the default value of a column is 8.43. So anytime you're going to have more than 9 characters in a column, you want to increase its width.